Hi, I'm Vicky.
And I'm Rianne.
Welcome back to another episode of Libra Unwrapped.
Today we're jumping into another topic that's too often hushed, discharge.
There's no awkwardness here. We're talking about discharge, what it reveals about your vaginal ecosystem, and how to stay feeling fresh. It's something we should talk about more openly.
Yeah, totally. Let's begin with explaining what it even is. So, vaginal discharge is a mucus secretion produced by the glands in the vagina and cervix. It plays a crucial role in maintaining vaginal health by flushing out fluids, cells, and bacteria. Think of it as your body's way of keeping your downstairs area clean, moist, and free from infections.
Our vaginas are pretty amazing. It's also important to mention that discharge can vary from texture, color, and smell. So it's important to know what's normal and what's not. When was the first time you first noticed discharge?
It was definitely sometime in primary school, and I had no idea what it was until I asked one of my friends, and she was experiencing it as well, and she told me. So it's typical to start noticing clear or whitish discharge when you're going through puberty. And when you get closer to your first period, you might start to see a light brown tinge due to a mix of period blood.
Absolutely. It's a sign that your hormones are changing. It's also crazy how discharge changes depending on where you are in your cycle. When approaching ovulation, discharge starts to kind of look like egg whites. It's just your body's way of allowing sperm to easily swim through the cervix and into the fallopian tubes to fertilize an egg. Now, time for some quick-fire discharge questions. First one, is it normal to have discharge the whole way through your cycle?
Yep, completely normal.
Question number 2, what does a light brown discharge mean?
It's just discharge mixed in with a bit of period blood, also completely normal.
Discharge with a subtle odor.
Can be normal, but if it's noticeably bad, you might want to check with your GP.
And last question, discharge with a greenish color, normal or not normal?
This could be a sign of infection, so you definitely want to get it checked out.
Other signs to have a chat with your doctor include pain, itching, burning, irritation, or a cottage cheese consistency. Discharge is 100% normal and healthy. It is influenced by reproductive hormones which vary throughout the menstrual cycle. It's totally okay to wear a liner to keep you and your undies feeling fresh.
Yeah, I usually use them on heavier discharge days, and I always go for the Libra liners.
I use the 2-in-1 liners because you can just remove the top layer to reveal a clean liner underneath. It's literally so great for on the go. I feel like you don't have to carry as many with you, and you just tear it off, ready to go. Super easy. That is the end of our Libra Unwrapped episode. Thanks for joining us, and we hope you learned a thing or two about discharge and feel way more comfortable about chatting about it.
Don't forget, our DMs are always open for any questions you may have. See you next time.